All right, what did we do to this pump specifically? What did we install? What are the things that we have done to it?
Okay, so you see the new battery, the new cooling fan, the new main drive pump.
Yeah.
Diff cylinders are rebuilt. Material cylinders are brand new.
Right.
The S-ends redone. New back bearing. Rebuilding of the ram. New wear parts inside the hopper here.
Yeah.
New cutting ring. Everything's new. New wear sleeve.
New hopper grade, obviously.
Hopper grade. Mechanical limit switch for your hopper grade. You've got your new gauges on this side. Potentiometer.
New fuel cap.
Flow control. New. It's got the new upgrade for the throttle release on the motor and in the manual pump. So there's a lot of upgrades on this.
Yeah.
There's even submersible LED trailer lights.
Right.
So this don't have the antenna on it anymore like it had on?
No.
Because it has the receiver didn't have a transmitter hooked up to it, so why leave that thing there? Just.
But still got the right.
Like I said, the lower end is all new. The tank's been scrubbed out. The back bar's pump's been flowed out, so it's good. And of course, the new main drive.
What's
pump.
that little gizmo?
That's to put documents for job site. You put your warranty, whatever.
Just a little storage container.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's right.
That's about it. I mean, we've completely gone through it. As you can see, the DOS is upgraded. I mean, there's a lot of upgrades on the pump. Now, this is all upgrades that that are current in production.
Right.
Even down to the stainless steel, so they don't rust.
Right.
Yep. They are quite a difference from what you first saw, remember?
A little bit, yeah. Yeah.
I think the hoses for the customer.
Yes, that's right. Those are his those are his hoses.
Extra hose kit, hydraulic hose.
That's right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That was like $318.
That's right. Yeah. Yeah, this is what took us the longest because we had to. They were custom made for the pump.
Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately, yeah.
You had on your list a ring for the hitch.
Right. Yeah. We'll give it
But
to
I
you.
told him not to, but I'd take it with me. And
Yeah,
I'll trade
exactly.
it
He said
later.
you were gonna take it. Correct. Yeah, he did. He did
I bought
mention.
a flatbed truck, kind of like that one over there. And I was thinking about doing the military hitch on that, but I didn't want to.
It's much better. It's much better. Military hitch is much better. It's a lot safer, I think.
Yeah.
More articulation.
That is correct.
Right.
Yeah. All right, 10-4. So we'll go ahead and install the wireless remote. We'll have it ready by the time you guys come back. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can go to our website, liveequipment.com, and you can see a complete list of equipment we have available for sale. Or just keep navigating through this channel. Have a great day.